Apple just dropped a bombshell at WWDC 2025. From the mind-blowing iOS 26 with liquid glass to a game-changing new Games app, we've got all the juicy updates. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for tech that excites. Let's dive into the WWDC 2025 keynote. Craig Federighi kicked things off with iOS 26, and it's a game changer. Apple's VP of Human Interface Design, Alan Dye, unveiled a stunning liquid glass interface. It's sleek, it flows like magic, and makes navigating your iPhone smoother than ever. Think crystal clear controls with a futuristic vibe. iOS 26 is set to match the 2026 release year, unifying Apple's OS naming across the board. Gamers, this one's for you. Apple introduced a brand new Games app that organizes all your downloaded games in one slick hub. But it's not just a library, it's social. Challenge your friends, check what they're playing, and dominate high-score leaderboards. It's like Game Center got a major glow-up. Next up, macOS Tahoe. Named after the iconic lake near Apple's HQ, this update brings fresh vibes to your Mac. Federighi also confirmed watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and Vision, and iPadOS 26, all dropping in 2026 to streamline Apple's ecosystem. Say goodbye to mismatched OS names. CarPlay's getting a sleek upgrade with a new widget interface. Now you can see directions even during calls. And Apple Music, it's leveling up with lyric translations for global sing-alongs and a DJ-like auto mix feature powered by AI. Plus, pin your favorite albums and playlists for quick access. Apple Intelligence is stealing the show with Genmojis. Create custom emojis by combining existing ones with AI powered by ChatGPT. Want a surfing dinosaur emoji? Done! This is next-level personalization for your text and backgrounds. WWDC 2025 just at the stage for Apple's future. From liquid glass to Genmojis, Apple's pushing innovation hard. Whether you're a gamer, a music lover, or just obsessed with sleek tech, there's something for everyone. What's your favorite WWDC 2025 announcement? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.